Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Tesla car. So might be this video is important for you how to trade in your Tesla car, like old car you can sell as it is on Tesla company and you can purchase new model as well. What is the process of this one? We will see very easy and simplest way. No need to go anywhere. You just follow my tips and tricks and you can see what is the price of your current Tesla car. I have Tesla Model 3. So live demonstration point of view, I will show you what is the price of my Tesla car currently if I am trading, like I want purchase Tesla Model Y. So we will see. Let's start. So I just simply open here Google and type here the Tesla trade-in, enter. So look at this here, first link is display here. No matter which place you are living, accordingly the website are providing you very easily. So here you need to provide here the license plate number and VIN number. This number is available on your application also in about us section, so you can very easily see what is your VIN numbers, and afterwards you need to provide here and then say next, and afterwards you can log in for using your email address and password. So I just simply log in. So first of all, I just simply provide here nameplate and car number and VIN number. So look at this here, my car is a 23 model 3, and here the basic information I say provided here, condition like new, private car, here is mobile number, here is address, and which car I want purchasing, interested car. So I just simply say here model Y, click here get update Tesla related information, next, and say next. So let's see what is the price of my Tesla car. You need to provide here how much kilometer your car register, first registration date. So I'm purchasing my car is the 28th of December 2022, and kilometers, odometer means kilometer, history, no service history, and say next. Let's see. So look at this here. Today, if I am selling my car, trade-in estimated is 1,88,000 Danish krona I can receive for my old model, and new model is available for if I purchasing Model 3, Model Y, premium version price is 3,49,000 DKK. So my current car price is 1,88,000 DKK. So I just simply say place the order, so they can just reduce this money, and remaining money I need to pay, and very easily you can trade in your old car and purchase new car. No need to go any different agent. So using this process, if you are interested, you want sell your old car to directly on Tesla company, and Tesla are providing you the one of the impressive offer. If you like this offer, so you can trade in and get new car. So this is the simple video how to trade in your old car and purchase new car using Tesla platform. If you have any question related on Tesla and Starlink, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.